Welcome to the new video lesson. In this video lesson I will show you how to make the deposit to your live trading account after you have opened it. In the previous two video lessons I have explained to you how to open a trading account, how to open a live trading account, and also how to connect to that account on your trading platform. In this case it was on the MT4 trading platform. Here it is the my account currently here, and this is the one I have connected to right now inside the trading platform. If you have not watched the previous video lessons how to also register and also how to connect to your trading account, feel free to check, and I will leave the links below in the description so it is easier for you to find the links and also to watch those videos. First of all, you can see that currently I have a balance of $0 here inside the trading platform, but also inside the your account with your broker. Here it is with the Blueberrymarkets. I have currently $0. So I will make a new deposit. Click here the button and the new window will appear after a second or two, where you can also move to the next step and also make the deposit. Here you have a payment method which is available so for selection. In this case I will use a credit card because it is much easier for me, but you can see that you have also option to pay with a crypto, and then you have also bank wire transfer and so on and so on. I will use this one and I will select to which account I would like to use. In this case I have MT4 which I currently have open, I have a second one which is also, and I have already a live account where I'm trading. It is already over $400. So in this case, just to verify, my trading account is this one, 8985122. So 8985122. Okay, this is the correct account. I would like to make deposit, and then I will, for example, deposit $300. Make a deposit, move to the next step. Okay, now in this window you can see that you need to enter your credit card details, and for now you can see that you need to select the card number, your card holder, card expire, CVC, USD currency, and the amount. So I will change these details to my credit card details, and I will click the deposit. I will skip this step for a few seconds. After I have done with these details about the credit card, I will click deposit. And let's wait for a few seconds what happens. Now you can see I need to verify that with my bank. In a few seconds you can see that my transaction is processing. And then you can see I have rejected. So there are some kind of issues probably with your credit card, because maybe I have some kind of a limit, so I'm not able to be able to pay over the internet. So I need to check with my bank what is the issue. So I will check that with the bank, and then I will proceed further. In this case I will click done, so it will redirect me probably to the previous step. If you do not have any kind of issues, I think you will move forward to the next step. But let me try again. Okay, let's try again. I have checked with the bank, and let's try again. Okay, I will receive the same process as before. Okay, in this step, I needed to enter my account details for the bank card. And you can see the transaction is approved. Now, in this case, I have deposited $300 to my trading account. I will click done, and then let's return back to my trading account with the broker. So we can see inside this dashboard, you will see that I will have this one deposit on my trading account. I will click close button, and this will be show my accounts. Let's wait for a second or two. Okay. And here it is. It is my trading account. You can see that here it is $300 I have currently deposited. And let's go here to the trading platform. So you can see it is already updated here with the balance. Inside the journal, I think it is visible here. Let me check that. No, it's not visible that I have deposit, but it doesn't matter. In this case, you can see that currently my balance is $300 on this trading account. So now I'm ready. I will remove this navigator, and also if you would like to trade on this trading platform with this trading account with this broker, simply go here to the new order and click sell or buy by market. So if you'd like to trade Bitcoin against US dollar, if you're expecting that the price will rise in value, in this case simply click the buy market and the new trade will open. So you can also make the money. So this is all the steps that you need to do in order to deposit the money on your trading account. The previous two lessons I have explained to you how to open a new trading account, how to log into the trading account on your MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and in this step, as a third one, as the last one, is how to deposit the amount on your account so you can start trading with your alive amount of money. So this is all for now. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I will try to answer as soon as possible. So happy trading with your trading account balance and be profitable. See you in the next lesson.